Senator Daines was in Bozeman today to tour the Gallatin County Sheriff's Office, where he answered questions regarding drug trafficking in the area, DOGE shutdowns, as well as Yellowstone National Park layoffs.
I think the public needs to know what's in our community here in Gallatin County. It's very, very eye-opening, very alarming, and very thankful for what these men and women are doing right now to keep us safe. So,
Senator Daines spoke with sheriff's officials about how building trust within the Hispanic community will help better address the presence of gangs and cartels.
If we can't develop relationships with those that are here legally and lawfully working and doing all the right things, we can't work collaboratively, right, to find the ones that aren't here, that are here for nefarious reasons.
The senator went on to answer questions regarding Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, shutting down buildings in Montana.
I think some of those lists that came out and some of the properties here in Montana, it's very premature to suggest those leases are going to be terminated.
Senator Daines says he's working with DOGE to determine where inefficiencies may be happening and where costs could be cut.
For example, if you have 4 disparate federal office buildings in a community and each is half empty, would it be better off to consolidate maybe down to 2 instead of having 4 that are half empty? That's what they're looking at.
The senator then addressed the outrage over federal layoffs at Yellowstone National Park, saying he's in close contact with Park Superintendent Cam Shawley and wants to ease tensions.
So out of 800 to 900 Yellowstone Park employees, there were 30 probationary employees. Of those 30, 7 lost their jobs.
Senator Daines goes on to say that some of those employees may actually be reinstated and that he's working with Interior Secretary Doug Burgum to address seasonal hiring freezes.
I called Doug and said, look, there's a freeze on seasonals. We've got to unfreeze that because if we don't get the EMTs hired and so forth that are needed for the peak season, we're not going to be able to serve the public effectively come summertime.
In Bozeman, Heaven Van, MTN News.